Go.
Hi, I'm Paxton. Today I'm going to talk about internal combustion engines, or ICEs.
What did you learn about this project?
I learned how to be patient, make a engine, and
Okay, so you built an engine? You want to show it to us?
and this is how it works. And come on this side, it's easier to see it, right? And that's basically how you do it.
So can you tell us about the parts? How's the ICE work?
So basically, as you can see over here, you should be able to see these cylinders. And you can see the top things over here. So the top one of them puts in air, then it gets pushed, then gas comes in, then there's an explosion, and the gas needs more space. So the other top part, let's say, come out and then closes it, and the other one lets clean air come in again.
Cool. What did you like about this project?
I liked how you had to be patient, and how this thing actually came out really well. I thought it would be all funky, but now it looks like it's like a real engine.
Ah, what was challenging about this project?
Having to restart.
Oh, tell me more.
So I had to restart because I got a piece on the wrong side, so I kind of had to restart, flip it, and put it back.
Oh gosh, did you want to give up?
Yes, I did sometimes. And my dad was very tired. His hands was very sore because he helped me tighten the screws.
Ah, okay. So screwing was not easy.
Yeah.
Okay. Who else might like a project like this?
My friends and engineers and people who like building, people who like racing, because they might like the engine because that's their thing sometimes.
Okay. Did you accomplish your goals?
Yes, I did.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you, Daddy. And have a good day. Bye.